Hi, I'm Mike with Craft Supplies USA, and today we're going to turn an Artisan Inlay Comfort Ring Core. Turning rings is a lot of fun. They're quick to turn and they offer endless options for creativity. Artisan Inlay Comfort Ring Cores don't require a ring blank. They come with a channel already machined into the core. To make a ring, simply fill the channel with the inlay of your choice. The sides of the cores are chamfered. It's a small detail but makes a big difference when the ring is finished. And because of their radiused interior profile, they're comfortable and won't pinch when doing everyday tasks. The pre-machined channel is perfect for all kinds of inlay, like opal, glow-in-the-dark stone powder, or powdered metal inlay. Today I'll make an inlay ring core using Artisan crushed opal inlay. This inlay is great because the grain size is perfect for ring cores and come in a variety of brilliant colors. To complete this project, you'll need an Inlay Comfort Ring Core, inlay, carbide turning tool, a ring turning chuck, CA glue and activator, sandpaper, and a polish. We'll link to everything we use in the YouTube description. Start by mounting the ring chuck on the lathe. Place the ring core between the appropriate bushings and tighten the knurled nut. Before starting, I'll color the bottom of the channel with a permanent marker. We'll be gluing the opal with CA glue, which dries transparent, so adding color to the steel enhances the color of the opal. Place a paper plate on the bed of the lathe to catch excess opal so it doesn't go to waste. Now we're ready to add the opal. Pour a small pile on top of the core. The paper plate will catch whatever falls off the edges. Once you have a small pile, secure it with a drop of thin CA glue, then spray with activator. Rotate the ring and add another pile. Then CA glue and activator. The goal is to create a layer with as few gaps as possible. Keep rotating the ring and repeating this process until the entire channel is filled with opal. Once your base layer is done, go back in and fill any low spots you have until you have a consistent layer. Now that the core is filled, pour the excess opal from the plate back into the bag for use on another project. Next, we need to turn the opal down so it is level with the surface of the ring. Because of the hardness of the stone inlay, use a carbide insert tool for this step. The square cutter profile works best for this process. Place the tool so the cutter is at the center of the blank and the handle is parallel to the ground. Take light cuts and turn the opal until it is level with the steel of the ring. Stop the lathe and inspect your ring. You'll most likely have some low spots that need more opal. Add more inlay as needed and seal with CA glue and activator. Once you've filled in all the gaps, turn the lathe on and use your carbide tool to turn the opal back to level. It won't require a lot of turning, but make sure you take light cuts to avoid chipping out the opal. Turn off the lathe and inspect the ring. You'll likely have a few pits in the surface. Simply add thick CA as needed to the low spots, then seal with activator. Once the glue is cured, turn the lathe back on and use the carbide tool to turn the CA even with the ring one more time. Now that the opal is level with the surface of the core, we're going to use thin CA to seal and finish the ring. With the lathe running at around 300 RPM, add a few drops to a clean paper towel and apply it to the ring. Use activator to cure the glue. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. Now, speed the lathe up and lightly sand with 600 grit paper. Next, place some scratch-free polish on a clean rag and apply it to the blank with moderate pressure. Scratch-free is a wax that is equivalent to around 2000 grit, and it really helps smooth out the CA finish and gets rid of any micro scratches on the core. To finish the ring, I'll use Micro Magic polishing waxes. It's a 3-step process that's perfect for polishing a CA finish as well as metal. Start with the red jar and apply a fair amount to the ring with a clean rag. Use moderate pressure and polish the ring. Repeat the steps with the white polish and then the blue. Use a clean bit of paper towel to clean off the polish after each step. Polish the sides and bevels of the ring as well as the CA to ensure a consistent shine. To get the best finish possible, polish the ring on a buffing wheel. Load one wheel with the buffing compound, then hold the ring tight and buff the entire surface. Once done, move to the finishing wheel for the final polish. This method produces a glass-like finish of hard and durable CA that really shows off the opal. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wood turning videos.